Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am decorating for summer, doing a little like summer refresh slash 4th of July decor, but I leave it up all summer until I decorate for fall, so after Labor Day. So I have my bin that I have from the garage, but I did get a few things a few weeks ago at Hobby Lobby, just a couple of things, because I still have Easter decorations on my front porch. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm gonna flip you around and I am going to show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. But first, to reward ourselves after this, I have the best treat from, I think I might have seen it on, I don't know if it was on TikTok or somewhere. Let me put you up here. Hold on. Okay, I've got you set up in my cabinet, but I think it was on TikTok, I'm not sure, but I'm going to make a little snack for when we are done with all of our cleaning and decorating. You take a plain rice cake, which if you follow Weight Watchers, it is 1 point. So you take one rice cake, you take a little bit of peanut butter, which I do about 2 teaspoons, which is 2 points. And then you melt some chocolate chips, which I think is probably like a point or 2. I just put a few in, I'll just probably leave it in here. Just like a handful. A handful of chocolate chips, and I put a drop of water, and then we microwave it. And then we let it melt, and then we pour it over the top, and then you put it in the fridge or freezer, let it set, and it becomes like a peanut butter cup, kind of. And if you're, like I said, if you're following Weight Watchers, this is like a 4-point treat snack. It's absolutely delicious. I made it last night for the first time, and I'm obsessed. So we're gonna let it sit while we do our cooking, our cleaning and decorating, and then we'll have it as a treat when we're done. Okay, it doesn't look the best because the container that I put the chocolate in didn't really melt it very well, but I didn't want it to burn. So it doesn't look super pretty, and you can use definitely a lot more chocolate, but I'm gonna leave it in there just for a little bit to set and then have it when we're done. Okay, so this is the new stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. This cute little America sign. Everything was either half off or 40% off, I don't remember, but we're gonna hang that on the mantle. This cute little new dish towel. This table runner that's just red, white, and blue. I thought that was really cute. I got these for the little planter that I have out front. I got these to put in those little wreaths right there. I thought that would be really cute. I got this. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And then I got this at the dollar store, and I have a plain wreath that is on my front door, and I've just been buying these different things from the dollar store other than my Christmas ones and kind of decorating them that way. So everything else is here from last year. I'm going to just fill up out front with like all of these, because like I said, there is all Easter ones out there, and I don't have a ton of stuff. I just do a little bit. This cute little USA sign, that Home of the Brave pillow, this little thing I usually put a candle in. Let's see. This little welcome sign. Let's see. Oh, I love this. I've had this for a million years, and I'm obsessed with it. All right, so I actually just laid everything out except my flags because those aren't supposed to touch the ground. So I have this little wooden sign. I have this cute little truck that says America. This little thing that says I love the USA, USA. And then this little thing that goes on my mantle. So let's turn this house into the 4th of July.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
One of my favorite things every time I redecorate and refresh is to change this little welcome sign. So cute.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off. You're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart.
All right, our cleaning and decorating is done. It looks terrible. I think everyone else that does it, they put like a ton of chocolate on, so it's like a thick layer and it kind of melts, but it tastes amazing. It's so good. Mine don't look the best, but they're so good. So definitely a really good 4-point snack. I went to the beach today and I got some color. I went to the beach by myself with my music, my book, and my chair, and I walked to the beach. It was amazing. It was like the best 2 hours. I don't think I've ever gone to the beach by myself, and it was amazing. So, but that is it. Kids are ready to get off the bus, and I have a few more things to put away, and I'm gonna put the bin up in the attic. But other than that, I have to put the vacuum away, but it looks so good in here. I love the fireplace. The fireplace is always my favorite place to decorate. The fireplace and the front porch are like my two favorite places. So let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite place in your house that you like to decorate. So the dining room table is always a good one too. That came out, it's always like simple, cute. So, and that is it for this video. I kind of got a little bit back into like my old content. The lighting on here is terrible. You know, cleaning, decorating, and all of that. And I just posted an organizing video. So a little bit of my old content, but definitely still doing at least 1 or 2 times a week what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers, my progress, and grocery hauls, meal plans, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.